Is it time to buy or sell AST SpaceMobile stock? In this video, we will explore AST SpaceMobile in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You won't want to overlook any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of May, 2024, our system has identified AST SpaceMobile as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.51. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis could have realized an extraordinary gain of 967.33% since we initially designated AST SpaceMobile as a buy candidate 84 days ago. This equates to an average return of 11.52% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 125.61% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 125.61% to 283.64%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of 95.3% over the next 12 months, with a possible return between negative 36.18% and 191.2%. This corresponds to a price range between $17.10 and $77.96 after a year. Our latest daily update for AST SpaceMobile includes the headline, High volatility in AST SpaceMobile Inc. stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $26.79. The AST SpaceMobile Inc. stock price declined by 3.98% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, falling from $27.90 to $26.79. During that trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 14.91%, ranging from a low of $23.54 to a high of $27.05. The price has been quite volatile during this period, and there has been a loss of 3.88% over the last 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 9 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 25 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $670,210,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $39.07, while the lowest was $1.97. Currently, the stock price stands 31.43%, or $12.28, below the 52-week high of $39.07, which is also the all-time high for this stock. AST SpaceMobile, recognized by the stock symbol ASTS, has recently experienced considerable activity following the successful launch of its first 5 commercial satellites, known as Bluebirds. This launch, which occurred from Cape Canaveral, represents a significant milestone in the company's mission to provide global broadband connectivity directly to smartphones. This effort is bolstered by partnerships with major telecommunications companies such as AT&T and Verizon. Despite this positive advancement, the stock saw a sharp decline of 10% immediately after the launch, prompting concerns among investors. The volatility in the stock price can be linked to market fluctuations and the potential for profit-taking after an impressive increase of 800% over the past 6 months. While the long-term outlook for ASTS remains optimistic, thanks to the growing satellite communications market, short-term fluctuations may present risks for new investors. The successful launch highlights AST SpaceMobile's distinctive position within the telecommunications sector, offering a first-mover advantage in space-based mobile connectivity. In the future, if the company can showcase operational success and foster continued growth in partnerships, investor confidence might stabilize, potentially leading to a recovery in stock prices. However, the need for substantial capital and the inherent risks associated with space technology will be critical factors affecting future performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 4th of September, 2024, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned AS a buy rating along with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 16th of August, 2024, Scotiabank rated ASTS as outperform, while also recommending a hold. On the same day, Scotiabank further rated AS a sector outperform with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 15th of August, 2024, B. Riley Securities issued a buy rating for ASTS along with a hold action. On that same day, B. Riley again rated AS with a buy recommendation and a hold action. Analysts have assigned AST SpaceMobile stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for AST SpaceMobile. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, August 19, 2024, and so far, the stock has declined by 30.6%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Thus, the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. The stock for AST SpaceMobile, Incorporated, holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $27.77. Conversely, if it declines, support will be found from the long-term average at around $25.94. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots generated a sell signal 18 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy opportunity 90 days ago. Short-term moving average issued a buy signal 8 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 83 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 77 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for AST SpaceMobile. AST SpaceMobile Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $26.11. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band's large prediction interval classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.51 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 14.91%. For the last week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 11.70%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for AST SpaceMobile, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of November, 2024. Analysts are predicting a consensus estimate of negative 18 cents. It is essential to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for AST SpaceMobile. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for AST SpaceMobile is at 31.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, AST SpaceMobile encounters its first support level at 26.11. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for AST SpaceMobile from various analyst sources is classified as a strong sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 10th of September, 2024, Torres Julio A. made an insider purchase of 5,744 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Sarnoff Richard also conducted an insider purchase of 5,744 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on that same date, Ruben Ronald L. bought 5,744 shares of Class A common stock. On the 10th of September, 2024, Wiberg Johann similarly acquired 5,744 shares of Class A common stock. Earlier, on the 6th of September 2024, Cisneros Adriana purchased 950 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the most recent 100 insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 98.717. In total, insiders have bought 297,401,052 shares and sold 5,844,615 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.37, reflecting a decline of 5.3%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to its high risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 57 days ago. Is AST SpaceMobile stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators currently appear negative, which we believe will impact the stock's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, and we anticipate that the price will increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 13th of September, we expect AST SpaceMobile to open lower by $1 and begin trading at $25.79. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.